And of course, we go to Heidi. Down under heights, Rio Tinto shares rallying. And that's, of course, after the miner pulled off one of the biggest rights issues in the world, correct?
That's right, it has, Linda. Well, Rio Tinto's $15.2 billion rights issue was the second biggest this year after HSBC. It was always going to be a bit of a gamble, but now it looks like it paid off. Rio Tinto's shares are up by about 1.4% after selling nearly all the shares on offer. And there was some contention over whether or not Chinalco would take up the rights offer, and it did exercise its full rights, which means it keeps its stake in Rio Tinto at 9%. Rio isn't alone, though, in the commodity rally today. The other resources stocks are all in the green, mostly, apart from Woodside as well. BHP Billiton up by nearly 2%. We're also seeing gains for Australia's biggest gold miner, Newcrest, up 3% after the gold price plateaued after a two-day drop. We're seeing the benchmark index up about 1/3%. There's also speculation China may capitulate on the iron ore contract price. Chinese steelmakers are currently paying the spot price for iron ore, and the spot price they're currently paying is similar to the contract price, which was locked in by Japan, Korea and Taiwan at a 33% discount. Now, a Chinese official says that China may be willing to concede and agree to price cuts of between 33% and 40%, so much lower than the 50% price reductions they'd been seeking. And also, we'll get the trade balance figures in about half an hour from now. We're expecting a return to surplus after we saw the trade figures unexpectedly dip into deficit last month. Linda, back to you.
Of course, we'll be on top of those numbers. Heidi, thank you so much for that.